Hi, my friends at Unity Community. I'm Kate Cavanaugh, and I want to invite you to join me on Sunday, November the 30th, for a conversation that is really very, very close to my heart, and that is a deeper power of faith. You see, I feel that faith is so much more than belief. It's a quiet strength that helps us to stay steady when life feels uncertain. And it's the courage to trust divine order when we can't see the very full picture. So together, we're going to explore what it really means to move from striving to allowing, to find peace right where we are, and to live from a place of gratitude, a place of trust, and a calm awareness. So if you've been asking the question of yourself, how can I be okay with what is? This message is for you. Come take a breath with me and let's discover the peace that faith was always meant to bring. Everything is in motion and all is well.